yelled bang. Who? I'm not seeing anyone.
Yeah, because you got him out there.
This kid's not calling bang. You kidding me? You gotta be kidding me.
That guy ain't friendly right there.
This guy right here, I banged him and he's not calling it. He said I banged out some kid behind him. Bang! Are you kidding? Bro!
Hey, you just got banged, dude.
You just got banged twice by me.
Hey, he got you right over
In
there.
one game. Nice shot.